Today I'm sharing this moist and delicious, my most favorite Piña Colada cake. Let's make it. First of all, sift the cake flour and baking powder. Stir both together and set aside. I'm using stand mixer here. In a clean bowl, add eggs. Start beating the eggs on a low speed and gradually increase the speed for maximum 4 to 5 minutes until these are frothy and fluffy. This step makes the cake sponge more moist and soft. Now add sugar slowly while beating the eggs and let it mix for 3 to 4 minutes until all sugar dissolves. Now is the time to add flour and baking powder. We sifted already. Add few spoons at a time and then fold it carefully in sugar and egg mixture until everything is well combined together. Prepare 3 8-inch pan with parchment paper on the sides and parchment paper circles in the bottom. Grease the bottom and sides of the cake tin, then line with the parchment paper. Divide the cake batter in 3 prepared separate cake tins. Preheat the oven at 190 Celsius. Time to bake this cake at 180 Celsius for 28 to 30 minutes. Once the cake is baked, check out if the toothpick comes out clean. Remove the cakes from oven, allow to cool for 3 to 4 minutes in a pan and then on the wire rack. To toast the coconut, add the shredded coconut in a pan. Toast the coconut continuously for 5 to 6 minutes. Hold process on very low heat until toast evenly. Let it cool completely before use. Time to make the whipped cream. In a large mixing bowl, add the chilled double cream. Add sugar and let it whisk until soft peaks. When cream starts to hold the shape, add the cream coconut slowly. Slowly whisk until stiff peaks. Once cream is ready, chill in refrigerator until use. Place the first cake on a serving plate or a cake board. To make the cake more moist, I'm using pineapple juice and pour all over. Add the first layer of whipped cream. Pipe on the edges of the cake and then add crushed pineapple, or I'm using pineapple slices here. Add the second layer of the cake and repeat the process we did for the first layer. Top the cake with the last layer and then moist the cake with the pineapple juice. Try to smooth the edges of the cake with a spatula. Now frost the cake from outside and try to smooth as much as you can. I'm using spatula. To hold the cake together, I'm using dowel here. With the help of scraper, I'm trying to smooth out the cream as much as I can. Press the toasted coconut into the side of the cakes. Cover the whole cake with the toasted coconuts. Use the remaining whipped cream to pipe the swirls around the top of the cake. Top with some maraschino cherries. In the last, I added some sliced pineapple if you like. That's it. Enjoy. Time to eat. Thanks for watching. Hope you like it.